So last week the focus was cybersecurity. Big topic, hence why I spent an entire week talking about it. This week I'm going to talk about something a little bit different. It's going to be about productivity and some simple productivity hacks that you can implement within your business or even in your just daily life if you work somewhere else that is going to help boost your ability to get stuff done, or GSD. You can replace stuff with another word if you like. Anyway, so the thing is when we talk about productivity, what we're trying to do is we're trying to find the most efficient way of delivering an outcome for something. This is what productivity is about. Can I maximize the amount of value that I'm delivering by minimizing the amount of time spent doing it? And there's lots of little productivity hacks that we can sort of talk about here. You know, there's the things like the calendar booking apps, and there's hundreds of them. Everyone's heard of them. Everyone uses them. Some people love them. Some people hate them. But if you thought about who your customers are and could find a tool that was better suited to the way they work, then not only are you making it a productivity hack for you because you have a calendar booking system, but you're making a productivity hack for them. You're saving them time. And this is a good thing. If you make it easier for people to engage with you, well, they're going to want to do it more. A simple example of this is that I had a fellow by the name of Daniel Anderson. If you're in the Microsoft 365 space, go follow him on LinkedIn. Fantastic content. He delivers so much. But he talked about a little tool which is called the Book With Me app, which is part of the Microsoft 365 suite. It's been in preview for a while, but it's nearing or pretty close to general availability. In fact, I'm pretty certain it's available everywhere and with everyone's tenant. And so what it allows you to do is I can set up personal bookings and booking links, etc. Some are publicly available, so I can you don't need a special link. It's just they're all available. So there might be 1, 2, 5 different options that go on my personal booking page. But then I can have private ones where I can send either a one-time booking code, a link to someone, or it will expire after 30 days. And you can come into this private one. So great for VIPs. And the thing is that the cool thing about this particular app is not that I can set up a calendar and have it automatically book into my calendar and automatically see what I have available, and I can specify rules around minimum and maximum lead times, information around durations and buffer times and all sorts of other things, and even set days that these particular ones are available. So I could say, right, I'm only accepting meetings from my public on a Tuesday and a Thursday. VIPs, I have to send you a link for the other 3 days of the week, right? So you can do all that sort of cool stuff. It's personal, so it's only for you. It's not for booking a group of people, it's just for booking your calendar. And this is really cool. But the thing I really love about it, being a Microsoft specialist, and all of our clients are also using Microsoft or Microsoft 365, it goes one step further. So if I send you a link and you're a Microsoft 365 customer and you've got a browser that you use all the time and you're logged into office.com and your 365 tenant, what's going to happen is it's going to open up my calendar, and as it does that, it's going to see that you've got a Microsoft 365 account and log into yours at the same time. Now, this is only happening on your side. You can only see my availability. I can't see your calendar. But guess what? Now it knows your name, it knows your email address, but it also knows your schedule. So it can compare your schedule against my schedule to quickly narrow down when we're both available. How cool is that? We have just saved that whole, there's my calendar, there's their available time, which one's which, and if you don't have multiple screens or you're trying to do it on one of these darn things, it's an absolute pain in the ass. Yeah, it is painful. It's annoying. It drives me insane. Probably would have more hair if it wasn't for that sort of stuff. Now, I don't have to do that. I don't have to compare. The machine's doing it for me. So if you've got Microsoft 365, look into it. I really, really reckon that it's going to save you a lot of time and your customers are going to love it. So not only do I have to click once to get in and check our calendars, right, and connect our calendars, then I pick a time that I think or a day that's suitable. And I'll go, okay, well, these are the available times. But when I make that selection, it puts my name and my email address in there. I just have to put a note. Click done. It pops it into both of our calendars and sets up the meeting with the online meeting. Job done. Problem solved. Everyone's happy. We get on and do our other stuff. Now, I've spent 5 minutes explaining how the tool works. It actually takes less than 10 seconds to use it. So check out Book With Me.